Hello everyone, welcome to European Study Hub. Is IELTS on paper still available in India? Yes, it is, because as previously you have seen many videos, even I have made also so many videos regarding this transition. But now what we have seen, the updated information is there. The IELTS on paper is available in July and August month as well in India, but it is available on certain locations, not in every city. So you can check the details I have mentioned in this video about there are 2 tests available in the July month and 2 tests available in the August month. So you can check that and fill your test as soon as possible, because from September 1st it will not be there. Because from September 1st there will be no any IELTS test on paper. So what actually happened in the March month, I made one video. Even I think everybody related to this field, they have made the videos about the transition in IELTS, because in that video we just said that IELTS on paper is going to be ended in the June month from 27th of June 2026. So IELTS on paper will gradually be discontinued in all over the world. So firstly it will be implemented in Canada and then in other countries. So in India still the availability is there. If you want to fill your test, because this is more flexible, as by my observation most of the students want to go for IELTS on paper instead of CD IELTS, because the reading is simpler, I guess, rather than the CD reading. So go for this test. Writing is also easier than the CD IELTS writing. If you want to fill your test in July or August, so then European Study Hub is here to help you. I assure you to achieve your desired band score in July itself or August itself, because if you have filled for July, so I guarantee you, publicly I'm going to announce this, you can come to European Study Hub and complete your IELTS preparation within 1 month or hardly in 2 months. For the further information, you can contact us on the numbers below. If you want to attend the one-day demo session, that is also available online and offline. So do visit European Study Hub. Thank you so much.